Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Strava and locating the route you intend to use. This is important because you want the correct distance and turns. Once you've confirmed the route, export it as a GPX file and save it to your computer or phone storage. This preserves waypoints and elevation. Make sure the file name is recognizable, since you'll import it next. If you're on mobile, transfer the GPX to the desktop or use a file manager app to access the saved export. Now move to Garmin Connect on the web and choose Training, then Courses. This is where Garmin stores navigable routes. Click Import or create a course and upload the GPX you exported from Strava. Garmin reads waypoints and elevation from that file. Once uploaded, review the map for turn accuracy and set the course type bike, run so your device gives correct prompts. When it looks right, save the course and assign a clear name so you can find it on your device later. Finally, send the saved course to your Garmin. Use Send to Device in Garmin Connect, then sync via USB or via Garmin Connect Mobile. This pushes the course to compatible devices. Once synced, open Courses or Navigation on the watch or bike computer and select the route. Start navigation to confirm prompts and routing. If the route doesn't appear, make sure sync completed, check device storage, and re-import a fresh GPX if needed. Corrupted X.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.